Hey guys, it's Virginia. Today I wanted to talk to you about the Assistants version 2 and using them within a chatbot. It's especially relevant today because the Chat 4.0 Mini came out, and that means that instead of using 3.5 Turbo, you can use 4.0 Mini. It's like 4.0 Chat 4.0, but it's cheaper. It's got far and also the functionality, being able to call functions and look up the web, and also add PDFs and things like that. The extra functionality to the Assistants version 2 has wide-reaching consequences. So it's really exciting. So basically all chatbots and voice are going to be improved from this, and it's going to be cheaper than, I think, even than 3.5 Turbo. But there's only one bot that I found that's I've been looking for a code-free way of getting the Assistants version 2 into a chatbot, and I found it. There's this really nice chatbot called usemevo.com, and it's the one that I'm using for whenever I want to have function calls or like a complicated chatbot that is more than just a simple chatbot, and also for emails, tone of voice, all that sort of thing. So when I'm trying to basically break a GPT out and put it into a chatbot, this is what I'm doing. All right. It's not the same as a chat GPT. It's the same. It's actually using the Assistants version 2 technology. All right. So this is Mevo. It was, I think, a chatbot before it added the Assistants version 2. It's only a recent thing. And you can see here it's got, because it was traditionally a chatbot, it's got the rule-based chatbot as well. All right, so I will log in and show you Mevo. So that's not Mevo. This is Mevo here. So once you log in, this is what you see. You've got all your chatbots, and they give you inspiration of some different types of chatbots you can create. And then there's tutorials and custom hooks and Discord and all that sort of thing. So they've got quite good support. But I haven't even used it because you just don't use code or things. So you create a chatbot like this. You can either do AI powered bot or rule based bot. I do AI powered, and then you can either teach it a product, cover a FAQ, inject a prompt, add text, add a PDF, or add an URL. I'm not going to worry about any of that because you can also add them all into the, and then I changed the model to 4.0 for now. I'm sure Mini will come out soon because it only came out yesterday. And then I'm going to tick this to enable the Assistants API. Okay, so the Assistants API, you can then also add your own API key and enable the Assistants API with the Assistant ID. So let's go into the Assistants Playground and create an assistant. Okay, so I'm going to do a very simple one, an Instagram bot. I could do an email bot or something more useful, but actually Instagram assistant we'll call it. And then just give it some instructions. You're an Instagram caption expert with 10 years experience crafting excellent high-performing post copy for top brands for the niche of AI. All right. So because we've enabled GPT 4.0, you can have file search and code interpreter, and you can call functions. You can't do that if you're in a 3.5 Turbo. So the fact that the minis come out, that's now going to be quite a big thing. All right, so now I'm just going to test it here, ask it a question and say, what will I ask it? Please write me captions, write me captions for my upcoming webinar for my mortgage business. Run. I actually did a typo. Oh, that looks nice. Look at that. And pretty good captions for a webinar. I like that. Okay, so there we go. That's Instagram Assistant. All right. And the other thing too is the number of the cost of this is going to be a lot cheaper with Mini as well. I don't know exactly what the cost will be, but when they allow us to put it in, which probably won't be long, then we could, once it comes out in this, then we'll be able to look at it. All right, so I'm just going to get my API key. There's the assistant key just there. So you just copy that and put it into here. And then I'm just going to get my Open API key and paste it in here. So just a minute. Okay, so I've pasted my API key in there, and here's the little bot. Okay, and then we've got to change a few things like the bot name. Let's call it Instagram Assistant. Assist, that'll do actually. Instagram. I don't know what happened to my spelling whenever I type. Fallback message. That's all right. That's all right. Okay, hello there. All right, let's say hello there. Let's say hello there. What captions would you like? What captions would you like me to write? Would you like me to write? No. What would you like me to write captions about? Here we go, that's better. All right. And then, so then we do notifications. You can do webhooks if you want to, but I'm not going to bother with that. I'll just get me to receive an email, lead capture. No need to capture leads. You can get them, force them to fill out forms, but I'm not going to bother with that. Page design. I don't really like the page design, but it doesn't matter. You can put custom CSS in there. But I usually just use the pop-up anyway. I don't really use the whole page usually. I use this. Okay, so hide organization name. I don't like the look of that. Remove the branding. I don't like the look of the branding. Okay, so that's done. I quite like the color, so I'm going to leave it indigo. Localization. Okay, type your message here. I'm happy with that. I'm not really too worried about any of that right now. Okay, this is coming soon, preview. All right, so that is that. Submit. All right, now that is the bot. So let's go and have a little look at the bot. Now this will be in a page, not the pop-up that I wanted. Let's just have a look though. Hello there. Hi. I don't know why it didn't ask me the questions I saved, but that's all right. I'd like captions for my instead of my webinar, I'd say my new podcast, new mortgage broking podcast. Okay. Wow. Look at that. I love this little emoji thing. That is awesome. Look at that. Wow. That's a really good assistant. If anyone wants to copy that prompt, go ahead. There you go. There's some great outcomes. All right, so we've got that. Whoops, that. All right, so now we can paste it anywhere. So you can place it on a web page. You can use it as an embed in a page as well, or share as a link. So let's place it as a bot on a web page. So you've got to paste this. So let me go into my mortgage broking site and see if I can get this to work as a bot. So you're saying to paste it into a page. So you've got to add, generally there's a code snippets thing that you add, and it's header and footer. Let me try that. Yeah, goes into the body. And there it is. I'm not going to leave this here because it's an assistant for Instagram on my homepage of my website. I will take it off. But I'll say, write me captions for my new finance book launch. I did write a book once, but it was a long time ago. I'll see what happens. I do find it amazing too that with no code at all, you can get, wow, look at that. So good. I find it amazing that you can get an assistance version 2 technology into your website, like into like a chat widget like this, without even using any code. I think that's amazing. I mean, I don't know how to code anyway, so it's really good for me. So if you like this video and you are interested in learning more of behind the scenes of how we use technology in our business and all the things we've discovered, then please subscribe to my channel and like my videos, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Thanks.